asie ade afi transfer sawo no so to twedwa wo ye afi seminum na ene urama former defender Edma Abwa Kese Ashanti Gold afes no Tamale City ene Accra Lions Vision FC former defender Abrantantin ene Ali Mohammed ena me no kase negotiations eguso course between Abrante no ene the Continental Club Masters Accra House of Folk Abrante akan yes e de ache House of Folk team na omo no say omo Abrante we ebewie bibia no nso otima kopia e de amom ka unu say free agent ka press us entwa bi wo de mo nsensen free agent for sa entino omo so ye won sama ye de ba ma ne ma yina no atumi akoso e de ama o ye dwumagye eso yenko Bechem United ye Bechem United midfielder afesuno captain ayasa former captain Abrante ne tin ene Francis Akwa sisem no kasai oni Bechem United awia o ye free agent eno gina wonom team Sawodo a start your money no 18 komo nemum o ye free agent team bia betini na wie bia no obako akobo adiama sa team no for free a kapre team no nso wacha se entua bia Edmondson enso atweme airpunch Francis Akwa enso anya free Bechem United team ni ma mere sansem no emao Justice Nkuku Blay Afri Kumasi Asante Kodoko Justice Nkuku Blay Afri Kumasi Asante Kodoko wacha se na jetiani se uninse betwetwa ese Justice Blay one Kodoko ekebe nkrema na ofri team no ne mpanfo aka se owasenka Kodoko etwa 70% compensation of necessary no etumen so etema no akwa etwetwa se isani na yesi eja manaka se ne wanye salary a yesi ejimu 70% no ejani na amanaka ne ofri Kodoko team no enso atwumi akwa yedim ansam na enso atwumi eba former Bibiani Gold Stars midfielder Charles Kamara assigned 2-year deal with Doma Adriana Stars the Fireboys. Yes, good morning, Abantino, almost in Sango Stars players. But that's Adriana Stars, only say, why you suspended good money, but in Tine Doma Adriana Stars, and so Ayaka Fabrantan, Tini Charles Kamara, or a former player Edma Bibiani Gold Stars, 2 years, and I was signed Atumenso at the Amomo, the Aka Sobe and Medica, where American we announced official announcement, and so Atumi 80 Swedmans and so Atumi Epa, or Medimo uncommon Emma Kama. Young Ramudia, former player Edma Doma Adriana Stars, El Samba back, Nina said, Bright Ajay, CNN, the champion striker, El Sanda turning back to Doma Adriana Stars. Report, I mean, say, come and he said 2 years, and Abranteno, El Quaquasan, Ediama Adriana Stars, like you said this year. On a sign sub contract at me Ediama Diana and answer this week. Kauno say Mediama Anitano, Sebian Timian go to this week. Mediama Beramo for the signature of Bright Ajaya. Edmondson and so at me Epa, the negotiation course between Oni Adriana Stars and Afesuno Mediama. They know a very crucial teller. Edmondson and so Emma Kama, a Wachumatino aso, Yanko Abranchanitin, and so any Chasanon, Jonathan Soa. Jonathan Soa na Aquacoding Commando Chim said. Okoya justify our house. Na house of was sakini from a company we fit down we asimo. Nemum okan we asi na say on to so be wo no obo house ansa na wo. Yenti Benjamin Soa.
Adamu ye oden.
O say we call na amopamo mi.
There you be no mpa wa.
We call na we call Mediama.
Eye 2022. Oko house. Na so we call say okobo.
Okobo justify.
Ela você onya de.
Awon baby amu ti won na de me ba.
Ela você de.
Ana me kata so mi kwa na me ba.
Ela você kofie.
Am so kofie.
Na wan kan tell say ni mbo nte wo ma okwan ma.
O de bi. Anka se bebre. Ani ni ade aya mi ya pa.
Oh, football career.
A football career.
Has pamo.
Has pamo. Ani ya pa. Ba ana ni so ni end mi yiro fi mi ti mu suta. Ba obo sa gba wo pesa ba ma no ma prove am say pamuna mo pamu mi no eye pasa mo pamu mo ma ko se ni mo pia ba
Aba awon pamu la sa be chomo aka show mbebe na e se
enu ni enwo dufo no
we gaka it is say o bet ya o be ya o pesa bi bo to mo na tin
abuba atakwa mo share no mi sunye
pesa be sikra If she has 10 times, I'll bet you 10 times.
The person qualify by confederation be ne senior qualify by na kaminya na has
no has show mo.
Okay, no, bench and also Jonathan Soa. Yes, former player Edema Tiwani Dean, and so any Mediama Kauna se Uramu or Libya, and so Okopia Piabu Odma Alali of NLC Libya, and also our Singida Blastasa, Edmondson, and so Achimi Eba, our Tanzania home. Ghana, dear. Well, so now Eric, I like it, Tete. Monichawam, a former CEO. And I say no, I team manager Nswateman Football Club, Eric Alage Dede. The Albania say as a folk team no approach Urano and then 18 common said Senke be able to ma Omrana come member and as a management in one. Anyone send air power portament eka as among super comrano operations director from the Continental Club Masters. I cast of in case of could be you, the answer man come in the edge map. Be our being on some way. Eric Alage Dede and I don't know and no Ebama Yamina Akoso. Now, honestly, director. General Yaw Ampofu Ankra National Sports Authority. Yes. Director no Yaw Ampofu Ankra. Ono na din sem etuja as a modern stadium. What I say omonsun I say omunya a lot of maka say activity and also omuye and say omunya modern stadium. Oninti omunya abotre just omonsun what I say every omon kakran kakra nyoman kakra no. I want someone who protect infrastructure na a modern stadiums no. Also nya abotre mo also someone a lot of activities. Udi omu dia go to abi ebe say CCA. Intino omunya abotre e ama Ghana facilities no. Na omonsun emputu pressure. Omo show a lot of concern e ama Ghana sports facilities na. E ansema ya Ampofranka Director General Adama the National Sports Association e dey atuja yentie no.
Well, a modern stadium across the world, they're supposed to have a lot of activity. That's why they're built, but it's got to be done well and it's got to protect the infrastructure. So for Accra, let me give you a quick example. We had to halt all matches being played on the pitch because green grass technology advised that we should, pause and allow the pitch to breathe, to resuscitate and for them to do their maintenance work in order to have the green lush grass that we had for the match. If we had not listened, perhaps we wouldn't have had such a good quality. So we just need to make sure that we respect our edifices. We have good maintenance culture, which is a big problem, and maintenance budgets, more importantly, and get the right people to address all the challenges. Floodlights, scoreboard, PA system, these things. Security, for example, was really good. For the President's Cup, we brought in external security to support state security, and together they did a good job. So I'm not too worried. Just make sure that we protect our edifices so that they don't go to waste.
Okay, ano Yaw Ampofu Ankra, Director General Edema Chesano National Sports Authority. Ona watin inkano na ano ana babara uninsendu ani ambiri bruta. Because kwalo continue koboni game no nkranta. Uye tanya yebeko na nkran so de wada tese mpanifo waka. Entinum yata se also bono kumase babara na asantimo nyina nya bihwe. Na na ebusa na wanse no so. You a lot of work or someone so no eye. Enti omu besra ombo hia mbere ombo hia time.
Another good question. I can't sit here and answer that because the extent of work has not been concluded and the work hasn't started. And obviously, since the last inspection in 2024, where the Baba Yara was not deemed suitable, did not pass, the grade for Category A matches, there hasn't been any other inspections. And so I think we should be very clear on that. Hopefully, by the time or before the inspectors come, it will be, but I can't promise because there's a lot of work that needs to be done and we need time to do it well. So once the necessary logistics, funds, whatever it is that we need is made available, we'll definitely attack or tackle that problem and ensure that Asante Kotoko and BBN Gold Stars get their place. But officially, they have not written yet to the National Sports Authority indicating where they want to play. Perhaps when they do write to the National Sports Authority, we can also officially respond and then go about exactly having a timetable. However, even if they haven't written, we still have to make sure that that venue is readied for international matches.
Okay, no, yaw ampofo ankra. Ono nso chese no Director General Edmund National Sports Authority and watin in Kano. Na kaunu se Wafu Boys Nelson under 20 cap no baso chese enya senketwa kra. Ene Wafu B no omo cap no baso na ene na sha se Ghana Man Soccer of Excellence pram. Eno me say ya Ghana ball area Nigeria. Jollof Derby no under 20 level baso Omesempe. Sentiru Ghana, Nigeria, no basu ne. Edo china 3 p.m. Côte d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso. Ochia kona nunsia Niger, Togo. Urema Nelson no chese Saturday. Urema enomian sa Nigeria bobo diatia Benin. And same time no diatia announce near Sente Rada 3 o'clock no Niger. Abo diatia Côte d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso. Urema Sunday chrono announce ni Togo. And airbo ansana Rama Tuesday. Benin abo diatia Ghana, Burkina Faso. On Wednesday on Niger and ebo ansana Urema and then watch Togo. And so no Namian San Wabo Ediatia Côte d'Ivoire ni against Audwa. And some atumi paso our year Wafu Zombinima. Edimu and common so my way under 20 level. And also atumia Ebaso Edimu and Semino Emma our year Jumajenu eso Yenin Comodia Kaune se Emaba one of from among so African Ekuswa Elcoso and your Women's African Cup of Nations Morocco 2024. I in 2025. The 10 years 10 Group A games in the Elcoswa, Zambia, and so Tima and the Tina Seneca, Bonacamian San, Seneca Mumino, Roma Diaru Congo, Este Emma Morocco, no Bon, Kana and Naya, Diaru Congo, son Mumino. Yeremo ansamana answer to me eba. So far table no senate host nation Morocco lead table with 4 points. Zambia toss me 4. Senegal toss me and with 3 and DR Congo Afaria with 0 points. Edmund San eba. And then games 2 games and eba so. Tunisia ball area na Algeria and on 9 and 7 game na pass non so Botswana abedi woto against Nigeria. Edemu ansamno atumi eba because unkobo ntia Nigeria na mfa ho totoro sa o yade awaso betumi afa se yemfa we entwato na yemedi nkomam na chese nema ina nkosom club to club agreement in place. Golden Kick center back Baba Adamu joining House of Folk. Baba Adamu Abrantu ti kotokono. Our FA Cup Ojojo Kotokosa. Abranten joining the Continental Club Masters. Our so for 3 years and over sign what I say Kaunu say or left centre back or left centre back into Sabrante and also joining the Continental Club Masters. Mede and home commano atumen so Emma our year Jumajino eso amaniama atumen so akoso na unin say House of Folk temenam I dear Frimo eba say omutournament chomuka sen komoko Nigeria no makwa kobon anzoroti tournament na amoso manyanko omanyanko omungonko tournament bia because as a delay tax bi ya bama ebe ha omo ntino omu anyanko ankobo sa tournament na yede eno nsum nkomo no atumi eba na omu ni statement eba abonten enroa Amonsono edichim ache Ghana fo nyina ese tournament chomuka se omoko Nigeria akwa kobono omanyanko anko because date na omo fix ye no amasan postpone ede akọ chese no another day ntino omo date na akwa kwahye no so ya omo ntumi nya ho enkonkobo a ene nam so amasisia na House of Folk enso no antimi ankobo sa tournament na yede mo enkomo no so ma kama ye dwumadi no eso ama bia nso atumi akoso yeba na yebedi ensenemu enkomo na bia ai kama mama mese yemenya honorable ayira na mede mama odena to so sports minister ni mfuini we ya androti no sports minister akobabara
wako
ya ampovan kranso akasafa ho
wakasa
yes unse concern when raise ya no moto wano mayomani
yes
bomo aso woni yedin wo musu kakra bia na se o masore kakra na o ma ye adwuma ne dia ma ye na
some boy on say to abama o mo se o mabo adwuma nti anu ana ye expect say o mbe ye no bilo me problem na akoye on say renovation bi o ma ye locked but o mo ye enche that is my problem
okay
on say baba ya o ma ye no renovate last year say o mo ye renovations upon renovations. And so we no matches 1, 2, 3. Na still I pitch na say. Inti a hornment tiasie. who say Accra Sports Stadium all the time omo ye renovation.
Yeah.
Tambia enti say scanner omo di shame no omo ye no quality a ese omo ye na atima abo ama na atimi ache.
Okay.
Na abo na enye se omo twen ama ne sei ansa na omo san diska ahim.
Yeah.
Because at Tambia no say match ekoso na omo hwie match na bibia ate chuma bia no ese omo working on that.
Yeah.
And also be boa ma yetima maintain eye owura mu wo Real Madrid da Santiago Bernabeu. Tambia omo be bo match awie bia no omo make sure say ade ate chuma bia no ese omo replace dia say dia yese bia ese omo kura no eno na ese omo ye sa na ebe boa ma omo ntena ho anko sise ebe sai kura ansana yensan kofa sika enhim oye sa dia billions emwa enti Tambia no ese omo make sure say Baba Yara Sports Stadium ye bono after the game DNA see he fana say yenko fix it o fix it now maintaining it and I believe say all the time no unhia sika kese bia enhye na emfanshim enti ho no omo hwe ne ya billions ebetumi aboy
na so Don Carlo Ancelotti ya hwe ade we yo sisi ai Kumasi Asante Koroko Justice Blade si oko onye hwe o ya so na kuma na wadwa
unse we dey meet to be we say na kuma bala ehia na kuma mu player na ne unse Justice Blade in the started last season last year enanka no ma ya na ma ya adwen say
honorable nam Baba Yara ho o hwe we stadium inside I say niema nye also mo kura niema mo dey seconds bia
mo the washroom na nye
niema nye kura
was a time am ya wo ho you call washroom out to say
honye niema nye mo kura niema I say nti no video ni na da so a wo hwe no we no abra Asante Regional Minister and Sports Minister Asante Regional Minister on edi mfimfini no wo na Sports Minister na wa hwe ne che no
yes
ono Kofi Adams nti omo Baba Yara no mo wo no omo hwe Baba Yara abese niema nyina bekoso o Baba Yara omo nye no mo nkrakra no ma washroom wo nyina nie won hera nya yi sa mo nkrakra no ma make sure say niema nyina be quality o no ya dress room na
tatika nyina na
do tetare bo ai ade nye e de tetare wo yin we me de na ka fo kra be je tum ni na mo wan wai wo se ne ye tetare for board ko si wona wudu wuri akwa tetare wo muta washroom ni e wo dressing room ho no
yes
ni na wo so mo kra ni na no make sure say Asante Koroko be ba bo o Kumasi sa give ko onu bia ni go start na be bo Kumasi eni kwanse gini ba bia ni go sa je nkwe bia kra nkom na dance park bo no nya o de unju si park papa mu ogo du sika o mu si papa but no kra pan say o was Kumasi de omba nti no we ya bra eno a Asante Regional Minister ene Sports Minister amako kopie mu Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium a omoko hwe se eniema nyina no betumi akoso wonom kama